When you look back at the time, did you have any idea that you and the image of Rosie the Riveter were going to become so iconic and powerful?
No, none. It was just a job we had to do. We didn't think of rewards or what, but the bad part of it was when the war was over, Rosie got no credit at all. Like I said, the men come home to parades and flying flags, and Rosie came home with the pink slip. And it just wasn't fair, you know, because we weren't in the trenches, but we built everything that the men needed.
Absolutely.
Yeah.